Welcome tipsters to this new episode. In this video, we will see the difference between an active and a passive buzzer. First, to avoid getting into too complicated concepts, let's define what a buzzer is. A buzzer is a device that produces sound by using a current. Buzzers can be found in alarm devices, computers, and any other device that makes a sound, such as music Christmas tree lights. What is the difference between active and passive buzzer? An active buzzer generates a tone of a predetermined frequency by the internal oscillation circuit. By applying a direct current, we can generate a tone, as in alarms. A passive buzzer can vary its tone or frequency by using an alternating current. The easiest way to produce a tone is using a PWM signal, but there is another way to program the tone in different frequencies without using PWM, which we will see in the next video. An example of a melody generated by a passive buzzer is the best way to distinguish between the two is by connecting the positive terminal directly to 5 volts. If it produces a tone, then it is an active buzzer, and if not, it is probably a passive buzzer. We can connect the buzzer to a PWM pin to confirm that it is passive. This can produce a tone with volume that varies depending on the PWM duty cycle we assign. In the code, we create an integer constant named buzzer pin and assign it the value of 3 for the digital pin and define it as an output in the loop. We use the instruction analog write buzzer pin 150 and the value of 150 is the PWM duty cycle, which is essentially the volume the buzzer will sound. It's important to note that the PWM pin has a fixed frequency. If we want to change the frequency, we can use the tone function, but this would create a problem with other applications that need to use the time or delay. To make programming a melody easier, we will use a library and other programming methods for passive buzzer in the next video tutorial. We will learn to make projects with the active and passive buzzer, and that's all for this video, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much tipsters.